The Pakistan Business Council (PBC) recently hosted an exclusive meeting with the Honorable Federal Minister of Finance Pakistan, Mr. Mohammad Aurangzeb, alongside Chairman Mr. Iqbal Daud, Board of Directors members, and esteemed members of the business community in Dubai, in the presence of Honor Hussain Mohammad, Consul General of Pakistan, Mr. Ali Zaib Khan, Commercial Consulate, and other Pakistani investors. Key points of discussion during the meeting included investment invitation, government support, appreciation for PBC, and role of PBC in economic growth. Chairman Mr. Iqbal Daud welcoming remarks acknowledging the strong ties of overseas Pakistani businessmen in the UAE to their roots in Pakistan. Minister Aurangzeb reassurance regarding Pakistan economic progress, stability in the rupee increase, reserves and plans for structural reforms to improve economic sustainability. The government focused tax reforms, digitalization, health and education sectors and defocused to improve economic development in future. Overseas Pakistani businessmen expressed keen interest to investing in Pakistan. The Pakistan Business Council looks forward to continued collaboration with the Pakistan government and stakeholders to foster investment opportunities, economic growth, and prosperity for both nations. Rabia Ashraf, Amarat News, Dubai.